Welcome to Trading Master 101. Stock trading for beginners. Have you ever wondered how stock market traders work? You must already know that they make huge amounts of money. But how do they make such huge profits? The answer is pretty simple. It's not easy. Everything good takes learning, hard work, patience, and a lot of practice to develop. The important question is, can you learn to be a professional, full-time or part-time trader? Can you make consistent profits on the financial markets? The answer is yes, you can. It is a long journey, but I'm going to be there with you to help you from beginning to end. It all begins with learning to read charts. This is a basic candlestick chart. A trader sees a beautiful and elegant story within. He uses this story to get this. This is because traders are able to read charts, and most of the time they can predict what exactly is about to happen. And this is exactly what we're going to be doing in this course. This course is a basic entry-level course, and it's meant for those who have absolutely no knowledge on trading. Anyone can learn. There are no prerequisites for this course. It's not going to be a fast-paced course. You can view the videos as many times as you want, and you can ask me as many questions as you want. In this course, we're going to do what are Japanese candlesticks. We're going to learn how to read them. We're going to try and understand them. We're going to create some of these candlesticks. We're going to play around with them. And then we're also going to see some of the common candlesticks that you see on a candlestick chart. We'll do some common candlestick patterns. And if you don't know what candlesticks are, well, these are what candlesticks are all about. A bunch of candlesticks make up a candlestick chart. Each candlestick has a time frame, and we're going to learn how to select the best time frames for our trading. We're going to learn what is support and resistance, and then we're going to learn how to identify the key levels of support and key levels of resistance, and this is going to guide us when to buy and when to sell. And I'm going to guide you on how to take your skills to the next level.